안녕하세요. Last time we have studied noun에 가다 오다, go to somewhere, and noun에 noun이가 있다 없다, 있어요 없어요, which means there is something, right? And we also studied 앞, 뒤, 옆, and then 위, 아래, and 안. We have studied. So this time we are going to check those old grammars together. Let's do the self-check. Number one, can you see here? 저 blank and 내일 친구 blank and 영화관 blank and then 가요. So let's see. 저 must be subject. So 은은 always indicates subject. So you should say 저는 and 내일 tomorrow 친구. So with friend, how can we say 친구 하고 or 친구와, and then 영화관 is a movie theater, and 가요. So what did we study? 가다 오다 always used with noun에, the marker, the location, right? So we have to say 영화관에 가요. So 저는 내일 친구하고 영화관에 가요. So tomorrow I go to a movie theater with my friend, like this. Number two, 책상 blank and then 볼펜 blank, 책 blank 있어요. So you can see 볼펜 and book. There are 볼펜 and book. How can we say? 볼펜하고 책이 있어요. So there are pencil and book on where? 책상, right? So noun에 noun이가 있어요 없어요, we can translate there are, there is. So there are 볼펜, pencil and book on desk. 책상에 볼펜하고 책이 있어요. But if you add 책상 위에, maybe on above the desk, 책상 위에 볼펜하고 책이 있어요. It's better, right? Or you can say 책상 아래에, maybe 아래, or 책상 안에. It doesn't matter. But I think 책상 위에, it sounds good. And number three, 냉장고 blank and 물 blank 있어요. So 있어요 없어요, 있다 없다, always use noun 이가 first. It's better. So 물 has ending consonant. So 물이 있어요. And then noun에 is a location marker and the translation is changing. So there is a water on 냉장고, the fridge. So 냉장고에 물이 있어요. The translation is there is water on the fridge. But if you say inside of the fridge, you can say 냉장고 안에. It sounds better, right? But you can say 냉장고 위에. Maybe the water is on the top of the fridge. Maybe it sounds okay. And number four, 선생님, teacher, 경복궁, and then 부산, blank, blank, and then question, and then be said, 아니요, 서울, blank, 경복궁, blank, blank. So I think this conversation is like, teacher, the 경복궁 palace is in Busan, and then be said, 아니요, no, 경복궁 is in Seoul, I think. So let's make a conversation. We have to say first, 있어요, right? 있어요. And then 경복궁 is in Busan. How can we say? 경복궁이, and then 부산에 있어요. Is the 경복궁 is in Busan. And then be said, 아니요, 서울 경복궁. How can we say? There is a 경복궁 is in Seoul. We can say 경복궁이 서울에 있어요. We can say. If you change 이가 noun에, the translation sounds weird. So this is correct. And number five, 선생님, teacher, 해운대 blank, 어디 and blank question. And then be said, 해운대 blank, 부산 blank, 요. So I think this is the same. A said, teacher, where is the 해운대? So 어디 is a where. So where is the 해운대? And then B said 해운대 is in Busan. So you can make a conversation. Teacher, 해운대 가 So 어디에 있어요? He said 해운대가 부산에 있어요. 해운대가 부산에 있어요. 해운대 is in Busan. So if you switch 이가 and noun에 this conversation to the word position, it sounds weird. So this is correct. I don't know you guys have been to 경복궁 or Haeundae, but those places are very famous in South Korea. Especially 경복궁, you can wear the hanbok something, and then if you go to Haeundae, you can enjoy the party or club something. So far, we have studied noun에 가다 오다 and noun에 noun이가 있다 없다, also 앞 뒤 옆 위 아래. And then you can make a basic conversation like this. Let's see. Teacher, tomorrow I'm going to noun 1 with my friend. Noun 1 is in noun 2 and noun 1 is next to the noun 3. And I'm gonna have coffee with my friend at noun 4. Teacher, where are you going tomorrow? So you can make a basic conversation like this. Instead of teacher, you can put your friend's name here. So let's practice. Teacher, tomorrow I'm going to noun 1. Let me make my sentence. 선생님, 내일 저는 경복궁에 가요. Let's say 경복궁. 내일 저는 경복궁에 가요. With my friend, 친구하고 경복궁에 가요. 선생님, 내일 저는 친구하고 경복궁에 가요. And noun 1, 경복궁. 경복궁 is in Seoul. How can we say? 경복궁은 서울에 있어요. And 그리고 경복궁은 한옥마을 옆에 있어요. So 경복궁 Palace is next to the Hanok village. So I can say 경복궁은 한옥마을 옆에 있어요. We can say 경복궁이 한옥마을 옆에 있어요. It doesn't matter. And 그리고 I'm going to have coffee with my friend at, maybe I can say cafe. 그리고 저는 친구하고 카페에서 커피를 마셔요. I can say that. And teacher, 선생님, where are you going tomorrow? 내일 어디에 가요? You can make a basic conversation like this. So far, so good. You know, watching YouTube and just understanding is easy, but when you speak yourself, use those grammars combined together, 1 to 3 or 4, it's really difficult to speak out. So please review yourself, and if there are any questions, please leave me a comment. We will see in the next lesson. Have a nice day. 안녕히 계세요.